The second product on this list is the Wagner Spraytech Earlex 5700. The Wagner Spraytech Earlex 5700 is a versatile electric paint sprayer tailored for woodworking enthusiasts who value precision and ease of use. Its stationary design and professional-grade metal spray gun make it an excellent tool for achieving smooth, ultra-fine finishes on furniture, antiques, and heirlooms. Equipped with a 1.5mm stainless steel tip and needle, this sprayer ensures a polished result on a wide variety of surfaces. One standout feature is its 2.2 psi turbine motor, which provides ample power to handle a range of materials, including urethanes, stains, enamels, and even thinned latex. The adjustable flow control dial allows for precise material output, while the 3 spray pattern options, round, horizontal, and vertical, offer added flexibility. With a 15 feet hose, users can move around freely while maintaining optimal control. The Wagner Spraytech Earlex 5700 also prioritizes convenience. Its 1-quart PTFE-coated paint container is designed for quick color changes and easy cleaning, reducing mess and paint waste. Onboard storage for the spray gun and hose ensures that everything stays organized when not in use. However, the product has some drawbacks. Its stationary design, while offering stability, might limit portability for larger projects. Additionally, the 2.2 psi motor may not provide enough power for heavy-duty industrial tasks. Before we reveal the best electric paint sprayer on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market.